we want to start. All right. So, what do we do first? We do tables first. Okay. So let's see how much you guys are able to practice tables. Okay. Tasvik, I have your attention. Okay. Um, so who all thinks that they have become champion table now till 12?
Yeah, actually, I'm a champion at 12.
Till
I
12?
kept beating my dad.
No, it's not. I'm not talking about your dad. Nobody's dad is coming to the class. I'm
My
talking
dad was
about.
the infinite champion.
Okay. So again, don't no use of any time wasting techniques. Okay. I'm asking you guys very simple question. Who all think they have become a champion in tables? Okay.
Try AI, champion.
Okay. So okay. I can see some people claiming that, and I'm happy that some of you are claiming that. I want that confidence to be there. So let's see. Myra, fold the
My dad
book.
is a 100 trillion digit multiplication.
Wait, what?
I think.
Calm down.
Sound like a chatbot.
And see, everybody's dad might be doing great because they have achieved certain things in life. They have studied enough. It's time for you guys to study. Okay, so we're not talking about that.
Python. Python has to do nothing with math.
Okay.
He does.
No time wasting technique. I said. Okay. Do I have to repeat myself? No. Okay. I'll ask the names and ask the questions. Let's see who is actually claiming it right. Kavyan, 12 age.
96.
Okay. Ishan, 6 9. No laughing.
54.
54. Okay. It's okay. Some of us will make mistakes and it's perfectly fine.
Wait, why was the winner just title it? We're not on.
While we are in a hurry yet, let's do what we are doing right now. 9 8. Rashika, 72. Wonderful. 12 9.
108.
Okay. Okay. 9 9. Tasvik.
81.
Okay. 12 6. Myra. Okay. Okay. 11 9. Arav.
89.
Very nice. Okay. 8 8. Kavyan.
64.
64. Okay. 7 7. Tasvik.
49.
Okay. 12 8. Kaushika.
96.
Okay. Okay. 10 9. Advik.
90.
See, I will purposefully ask you guys simple questions and I would still want to see.
Well, I'm the
Okay. Now, 6 8. Kavya.
48.
Okay. 12 5.
60.
Okay. 7 8.
Me.
56. Okay, no, Ryan, no, I'm the teacher here.
It was a trick.
No, even if I'm tricking it, it's
No,
fine.
I'm like, there's a way
No, nothing in between when I'm teaching, okay? So just hold it. You guys are friends, I know that. You guys can talk offline. I'll not stop you from doing that, but not in the class. Okay, so, okay. 8 9.
72.
Okay. 12 6.
72.
Okay. So I can certainly see you guys are doing much better with the table. Okay. And I'm happy about it. Okay. Now, I still see you guys are taking little less than a fraction to respond.
What type of fraction? I was like,
Little less than a fraction of a second. Okay, let me complete that. Now, I would want to get rid of that also. So that is why we'll keep on practicing. So I'm not saying that we'll do table of 13, 14, 15, 16 right now. Let's be a champ till table of 12. Okay? So now Ishan comes to me. Come over. We'll do table together. So we'll start with table of 12. Okay? So you all will sing with me. You all. 12 1 ja?
12
12 2 ja?
12 3s are 24.
12
Go on.
12
3 ja?
3s are
36.
12 3 36.
12 4 ja? 48.
12 4s are 48.
12 5 ja? 60.
12 5 is 60.
12 6 ja? 72.
12 6 is 72.
12 7 ja? 84.
12 7 is 84.
12 8 ja? 96.
12 is 96.
12 9 is 108.
108.
12 10 is 120.
12 10 is 120.
I'll just randomly pick 8, table of 8. 8 1 is 8. 8 2 is 16. 8 3 is you continue. 8 3 is
8 3s are 24.
8 4 is 32. Yes, you complete. I'll come to you. You complete.
8 5s are 40. 8
8 5s
8 5s are 40.
8 5s are
8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40.
8 6 are 48.
8 6 are 48. 7 4s are
What?
8 7s are 8 7s are 56.
8 7s are 56.
8 8s are 64.
8 8s are 64.
Okay. 8 8 is 64. 8 9 is
8 9 is 72. 8 10 is
8 8 is 80. So meet our new friend. What's your name? Arnav. So you can hear me okay? You can hear me okay?
Yeah.
Or Arnav, what I would suggest is you come this side. This side is empty. We have space here. So Ishan, you can go back to your seat.
What?
You can sit down here. Okay. From next class onwards, what I would suggest is you. Sit down. So from next class onwards, you will bring a notebook and a pen and a foldable chair like they have brought. Okay? One foldable chair, anything that you use. Okay? Alright. So so for Arnav, what we do is these are the kids from 3rd to 6th grade. Okay? We make sure that we memorize tables till 12. Tables till 12 meaning from table of 2 till table of 12.
Oh, from table of 2, no 1.
Huh?
1 is easy. That's it.
What do you want to do one?
No, a table of 1.
Yeah, that's something. You don't want to do table of 1, right? That doesn't take any effort. Yeah. Right. So, okay. So from 2 to 12, now tell me till which numbers tables you memorize or you remember you think?
Like 14?
14? Let me do okay, let me do a quick check. Let me do a quick check. No pulling legs here. I am the teacher, I will judge, I will check, I will teach also. So 12 age.
Huh?
12 age.
12 8s.
96. No. So thinking is what? Is when we thinking, that is when we are actually calculating. I want to make sure that you, all of you, including me, memorize the tables in a way that when I say 12 age, you straight say 96. Let's see what other kids can do, okay? 11 age.
88.
88. 12 6
72.
okay? 8 9
72.
okay? 6 4
6 4 is
24. Okay? 9 9
81.
81. 8 7
64.
8 7
6.
56. Okay? 9 9
81.
okay. So what I was doing was a demo. Okay? I've been bothering everybody here in this class to make sure that we memorize the table in a way that comes very quick. And once it comes quick, your calculation becomes much faster. Okay? That's the purpose. So now the task for you is, I would want you to memorize table from 2 to 9 before next Saturday. So we have class today and we have class tomorrow. I will not tell you to memorize table till 9 by tomorrow's class, but before next Saturday class. Okay? And that you can do easily by spending just 10 minutes every day. Okay? These are like tables. You write down the tables and then you sing it like a song every day for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay?
How do you
Or-
go to the 8? So can you maybe back to the 9 table?
2 to 9, because I know he knows. I'm just asking him to brush
What
up.
about me then?
What about you guys? You guys have to just focus on table till 12. I want everybody to...
13.
No, 13, I don't want to see. Okay. Wait. We are not going to 13, 14, 15, 16 at this point in time. I want you guys to master the table up to table 12. Like this. If you can do that, you guys will be better than even many high schoolers, if I can say so, with tables. Okay? So focus on that. Alright. Okay, now everybody attention back. So what is that we have learned in the previous class? What is that we are learning so far? Anybody remembers? What did we learn in the last class?
I know everything.
I'm asking, not everything, I'm asking a very simple, stupid question.
I know.
Same.
I know the answer.
What is that we learned in the last class?
Fractions.
Area
Equivalent
under
fractions.
perimeter.
No.
Fractions.
Fractions. Equivalent.
Yeah.
Okay.
Added addition.
Okay.
Sorry,
Okay.
added minus.
Just an answer. I just need a simple answer saying, okay, what did we learn in the last class? Okay. So fractions. Okay?
I said factor.
Fact-
That's a fraction.
You guys have to learn how to give simple answers rather than taking me to all the
We
places.
did factors and multiples.
8.36.
No, 80 is 4/10 of the water in the ocean. No, cute.
Okay.
Well, that was when we were
Okay, so did I get my answer? No, not yet. Factors and multiples we learned in the
I know.
class before that. In the last class, what we were learning?
Oh, triangle.
No.
That's what I said.
After that, we learned
Geometry.
Area.
fractions, operation with fractions,
Operations. Oh, division.
addition, subtraction, multiplication,
LCM.
division. And then we learned did the LCM.
Wait, what are we gonna do?
Isn't that last class?
Are we here for debate?
Isn't that last class?
I'm at
Last class. Good question. What did I say last time? No.
No, drink your own water.
Bring your water.
I forgot.
Yeah, guys.
Okay. No, water is very important. Okay. Maya, can you just get a glass of water only for Ishan, only for today, okay? No, next time. Just one.
That's why I drink extra water.
Okay.
Just drink your spit.
Okay. So, no.
Dad will help you.
See, I know water is very important for us. That's why everybody here. I know it's very important for us. That's why I'm saying yes. But then, be more disciplined next time onwards.
When are we gonna get all
I'm just
operations?
checking. You guys are not giving me straight answers, so I have to find the right answer.
We use PEMDAS. We use parentheses.
Can you calm down a little bit so that we don't waste time? Okay, let's not do that. I'll not entertain you guys to talk when there's no need. Okay. So in the last class, as I can see here simply, that we learned fractions operations. Yeah?
Division of multiplication.
Yes. Okay. Ishan, Kavyan and Araf here. So we learned fractions operations. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay? Nobody has to prove anything. I was just trying to recall. And you guys were not giving right answers, so I had to look at the
I
video.
did. I said fractions.
No arguments. Okay. Now, so anybody here in this class doesn't know how to deal with fractions, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Have you learned fractions? Have you learned how to deal with fractions? Meaning, if you have to, and no crosstalks. Okay. When I'm teaching. If somebody has to add this, do you know how to do it?
Yeah, it's 1/5. Yeah, 1/5.
You know how to do it?
That's a 9.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello? Manoj, can you talk later? I'm in the middle of something. I'll call you, sir. I'll simply call you. Yeah.
Oh my god. That's like the best question.
Okay. So,
Yes.
can I request you guys not to get diverted and talk to each other? And I don't like reminding you guys for this, okay? I'm turning off my phone just because I don't like distractions. I want same attention from you all.
There's actually a good question. Like, so when we did LCM, are we like able to do LCM for a fraction, or that can't be possible?
LCM for fraction, that is when you use LCM. When you're dealing with fraction, that's when you do LCM.
No, but see, like you use the first LCM of 2. So can we instead do what's the LCM of 1/2? Or
Is that a valid question? Think about it
I
first.
have a
It
question.
probably is because I was
Is
curious.
that a valid question?
I don't know.
No? If there's no valid question, that means you're wasting time.
But see, it's this, right?
Mhm.
Part of fraction.
It's a fraction.
Nobody knows
Right
that.
here.
This is a fraction, yeah. So,
Is it right?
no, I have not seen the whole sum. Did you show it to your parents?
Yeah.
Yeah? What did they say? Show it to me.
They said give it to you and then see.
No. So that's the thing, okay? There's a sum, okay? I'm just doing it for everybody's benefit. Okay?
Can I answer this one? Because I do that.
No talking. No talking.
That's easy.
3 by 6 into 9 by 14 into 7 by 8. This is the sum. Yeah?
I'm talking about more fractions only.
Why you have to complicate simple things, Arav? Don't do that. Don't do that.
Okay, times seven.
If I'm telling somebody, it's only for that person and me. No third person interfering in that, okay? And if I'm being very, kind of, what you call, little,
Math.
not mad, to the point with somebody, there's a purpose to it, okay? I'm not trying to pull any of you down, okay? I'm just trying to make you get focused. That's all. If you guys keep interfering in between, not good. I don't want anybody to make fun of each other, okay? This is not the purpose of that. This class is not meant for that. Okay, here this one. What will you do? You can do one thing. You can multiply this and this. Meaning 3 into 9 into 7. This is 3 9 27 into 7. Okay? I'll find out how to do that. 749, 714 plus 418. And then this is 6 into 14 into 8. So 14 6 are what? Sorry, 14 6 are 84. Into 8. It will be 8 4 are 32, 8 3 are 30, 8 4 are 32, 3, 8 are 64 plus 3 67. So one answer will be 189 by 672. Okay?
I got that right.
But that is one answer. What I'm saying is you can simplify it. Okay, you can simplify it. Do you know what I'm talking about, Arnav?
Simplify.
No, the multiplication, multiplying two fractions. You know how to do it? Okay, if you don't, I'll anyways give a link of the classes video from where we have taught this, where I have taught this. You can just go through it once, and then I'll give you some assignments also, so that just to make sure that whatever you know, you can practice that also. Okay? And if you have any doubt, you'll come to me. We'll simplify this. We can write this as 3 into 9 into 7 by 6 into 14 into 8. Now, here, 3 is simple. I'll write as 3. 9 I can write as 3 into 3. And 7 I can just write as 7. Here 6 can be written as 3 into 2. Into 14. 14 can be written as 2 into 7. And 8 can be written as 2 into 4, let's say. Okay? I'll see. We'll see if we need to break it further. Now you have tic-tac-toe. This and this gone. This 7 and this 7 is also gone. Anything else? No. 3 and 3, 2 and 2 and 2 and 4. Okay. We cannot do any further tic-tac-toe, right? There's nothing common. Okay? Now, this means we are left with 3 into 3 divided by 2 into 2 into 2 into 4. Now, Arav will tell me how much is this?
9.
9
9.
by
9 by 32.
Very nice. Very nice. See, so that's the only thing I need from you all, okay? I just need you to be focused. See, so whatever we had got before, Kavya, that was right. I'm not saying that is wrong, but you can always simplify this also. Because we love tic-tac-toe.
My dad
So if we
always
put that on the real, so if there was like
No,
a
my
test
dad
of
always
answer,
told me
the
that
answer
It's
simplified,
annoying, but
you would get like half a mark.
No, it's not that way.
Wait, so what's the
So why
so,
simplify it when you can just do it easier and just get
It just makes it easy, yeah.
It's like playing tic-tac-toe.
So I say tic-tac-toe because what I do is I find the fractions, I break them into smaller pieces. 9 I can write. Not really. Not really. I'll tell you. If you have to multiply 3 with 9 with 7 and do the multiplication, you might go wrong. If you break into smaller pieces and then you have to multiply, it was much easier. If I have to multiply 6 into 14, that is 84. Half of you will not know the table of 14. You'll have to multiply. It will take time.
yeah, I know 14. 14 was
I said half of you, you're the other half. Okay? Alright. So what I'm saying is, this takes time. I mean, see, this is like putting more burden on yourself. What I'm doing is, I'm breaking this into smaller pieces. Okay? That will make it easy for you. And it comes, the fun comes here. 3 and 3 I can knock off. 7 and 7 I can knock off. So now you're left with 3 to 3, that is 9. This table nobody will forget ever. Yeah? Then this one. Okay, so this was just, I was just doing a recap of this one. So let's do a recap of fractions and then we'll go to the, let's do a recap of what all we have learned. So that you guys will recall. And then, so we dealt with this, we dealt with this, we dealt with this. Where are you guys? Huh? Doesn't matter. If the pen is not working, sky is not going to fall apart. You have video of the class. Can we sincerely try not to waste time? Can I request all of you? Give it to me. I want everybody here in this class to avoid wasting time. Same thing for you also, Ishan. Dipping the pencil doesn't help.
No, I did. I forgot that I put the one.
No, okay, yeah. So, okay, coming back to this one. So, we learned fraction addition, we learned fraction subtraction, we learned fraction multiplication, and we learned fraction division also. In this class, who doesn't know this? I mean, I'm just curious. If anybody who you don't know, okay. Division we don't know, okay, very nice. That gives me a chance to teach something, yeah? So, division is about dance. So, division has a word, letter D, and dance has the same letter D.
Yeah.
So, there's something common between division and dance. Let's see how the dance is, okay? So, let's say, if I have to divide 3 by 8 by 2 by 9. Who in the class can do that?
Please.
Okay, I'll give chance to Arav. Arav has been waiting eagerly. Come.
So it's basically 27 by.
You come here and do it on the board.
Oh, okay.
I want you to teach. Just talking doesn't help. Do it.
So basically, what you do is you have to flip the right side of the part with 9 and 2. So you basically switch digits, so 3 by 8. If you're doing also with x, you move it by the equation, it'll change symbols times 9 by 2. And at school we just do like something different, but this is the easy way. 27 minus by 16. So 27 minus 16 equals 11 by 16. And yeah, because 11 is prime, so it can't do it just further.
Okay, no, so
Was that right?
this is.
Oh yeah, I forgot, I put the 1.
Yeah. So, anyways, so Arav did 2 things in the class, okay? And he was very accurate with what he did. I'll just go a little slow so that it registers in your mind. So what Arav did, that was perfectly fine. What you all need to remember, most of you remember, just for enough. So when we deal with division, okay? Division is not a legitimate operation in my terms, okay? With fraction. You cannot do anything with division. You have to actually convert into something that you can use. So far we have learned addition, subtraction, multiplication. So division is not a separate operation. You have to convert division to a multiplication. That is how it works. So if I have to divide 3 by 8 by 2 by 8, I have to convert this into a multiplication. So this sign. So I can write this as 3 by 8. Instead of division, I will say multiplication. And what happens is, this is where the dance happens. Flip. A somersault.
Oh, so 9 goes up?
9 goes up, 2 comes down. Now it's a simple multiplication. Let me take.
So like when my dad does like.
Okay. So
And then I multiply?
now you know
So
what to do.
basically what my dad
That's
does.
it.
So,
Okay.
so when we do this problem, he's gonna move the -5 across the equation to make it positive. So you change
No,
signs.
so
So that's
right now,
algebra.
right now, that's algebra.
Right on.
Algebra. Let's not go there. We'll go step by step. That's why I keep stopping you guys. I know you guys have a lot of energy, much more than me. But yeah, let's go step by step. Kaushika, Advik, Ishan, Kavyan,
What up?
Kavyan, Ishan. Everybody here. Board is here. I'm here. Okay. So this part is clear. So one more time. If you are dividing simple thing you have to remember is I have to convert this division to multiplication. And the only way I do is this part is fixed, okay? Like when you are doing somersaults, you don't flip the whole body, you put the hand somewhere. This is your hand, this is holding your form on the ground. And then convert this to multiplication. And multiplication, division to multiplication, triggers a dance. So whatever is here as the denominator becomes a numerator. Whatever is your numerator becomes denominator. This guy went up, this guy came down. That's it. Easy peasy. Yeah. Now, only thing while doing fractions, operation with fraction that you have to remember is you have to always make sure that all the numbers that you're dealing with, they're in one form. They're in the form of a fraction. Let's say somebody says, multiply this with this. Easy. This is in a fraction form. This is in a fraction form. This is perfectly fine. When you have to think a little bit extra is this. When somebody says multiply or add this with 2.
5 and 1/2.
So
Yeah.
use your thought process, not the answer. I don't care about the answer as I always say.
That's the simple one.
Wait. No rushing. So when you get this kind of a sum, you are getting a mixed number here, you are getting a natural number here. You have to convert them all to fraction first.
Easy.
Yeah, it's easy.
You didn't put the 2 and add the 3.
So what is that? This becomes
5 and
3 plus 3 to the 6 plus 1 7 by 2. This is a fraction now. Yeah? Now this is a whole number. You have to convert this also to a fraction. Any whole number or natural number, you can simply convert that into a fraction by putting a 1 in the denominator. 2 is equal to 2 by 1. 5 is equal to 5 by 1. Same thing.
so 100 is
100 by 1. Okay? So now this is fraction, this is fraction. You can literally play with it the way you know. Okay? So if somebody says that plus 1 by 9 minus 2, you have 3 flavors. You have a fraction, you have a mixed number, and you have a natural number. First thing you will do is convert them all into one form, that is fraction. This becomes 2 7 by 14 plus 1 by 7.
What?
15 by 7.
Huh?
This is how you convert,
Yeah, I
right?
get it.
7 2 is 14 plus 1 by 7. That is how you convert mixed number to a fraction, right? Okay? So it's like a clockwise thing, okay? You start from here, multiply this with this one. 7 2 is 14, and then you add plus 115 divided by whatever you have before. Okay? Now, this is a fraction, so you don't have to tell this guy. Then comes a natural number. You have to convert that into a fraction by just putting a 1 in the denominator. Done.
And you add it?
Here you have addition and subtraction both in the same thing.
So that you add both of them and then subtract them.
No, you can do it in one go. So what you can do is, you can find the LCM of this and this. LCM of this and this is 63. How? I assume you know it. Do you? Do you know how to find LCM? Okay. 7.
You know how you calculate GCD is basically the same.
Wait. No.
It's kind of
I will take 30 seconds, guys. If you guys start charting, it will take 2 hours. So if I have to find I have to do the operation with this one, right? First thing you do is find out the LCM of all the denominators. So LCM, 1 is 7, other denominator is 9, third is 1. 7, 9, 1. We have to find the LCM. LCM stands for least common multiplier,
So it's lowest.
or the lowest common multiplier. Okay?
Multiple.
multiple.
whatever. Now, ignore 1, okay? Look at the smallest number, next smallest number. You see 7. You will say 7 1 just 7, okay? 9 doesn't give in the table of 7, so you'll write 9 as 9. 1 remains as 1. Now the next number apart from 1 is 9. So 1 remains 1, 9 1 is 9, 1. So your goal is always to get 1 1 1, okay? And see what are the numbers here. So it is 7 into 9, that is 63. So this is called least common multiple or least common multiplier. That's what LCM stands for. Meaning the smallest number that can be divided by this and this. Okay? There is a video for LCM also. Just watch those videos. I'll give the link of the video. Meaning whatever I've taught in the class. Just go through it. If you find any difficulty in following that, let me know. I'll explain that. Okay? Now, so after you got the LCM 63, that's what I was saying. Okay? Here, everybody here. Why you guys have to start a discussion in between the class? No, Rashika, Kavyan, please. Okay? So I got 63 as the LCM. Okay? Now you pick the first number. What is that here? 7. How many times of 7 is 63? 9. So I put that in the bracket. 9. And multiply that with whatever I have in the numerator. That is here. Close the bracket. What is the sign? Plus. Then I go to the next number. How many times of 9 is 63? 7. What is there in the numerator? 1. Then what is the sign? Minus. Do the same thing here. How many times of 1 is 63? It will be 63 times. Right? Multiply that with whatever you have in the numerator. So, if you look at this here, Arnav.
You made an equation.
Okay. If you look at Arnav here. So, if you look at this, right, what I did, I just found the LCM of all the numbers without bothering about plus and minus. Okay, it's only addition and subtraction. Okay, no playing with multiplication here. Okay, when you are dealing with only addition and subtraction, you look at all the numbers, find out the LCM of the denominators, and then pick up one by one. How many times of this is this value? This one 9. Multiply that with numerator. Same thing. Look at, put the sign back, and then pick this number. How many times that is this value? 7. Multiply that with numerator. Just put the sign as is. Then check third bracket. How many times of this is this value? You put that, and then multiply that with the numerator. Now it is simple. 15 9 there, 135 minus 7 1 plus 7 minus 16 2 there, 126. Okay, by 63. So this is 135 plus 7, 142 minus 126 by 63. This is the answer. 142 minus 126 is 16 by 63. This is the answer. So here, when you are doing addition or subtraction, you can do the same way. Nothing changes. If you are doing two operations in one equation, then also nothing changes. You will do the same way. Okay? Complicated? Simple. No, see, I want to know. Yeah.
What is the 5 minutes break?
In 2 minutes. In 2 minutes. Okay, calm down. Okay, I'm just asking. It's complicated. So what I will do is, I will give you the link of this video. Just watch it once, okay? It's a 45-minute video of the class which we have already done. Just go through it and then try doing some sums. First thing is you have to be very clear with LCM. Since you were doing LCM for the first time, maybe that's why you were finding it difficult. Go through do the LCM and this one. Just do that, watch the video once and then let me know. I'll find out an easier way for you, okay? But in simple terms, if you are dealing with fractions, addition or subtraction, first thing you have to do is find out the LCM or the least or lowest common multiple of the denominators, okay, of all the fractions. Once you form the LCM, then this comes into play, okay. Since you were saying that you know fraction, addition, subtraction, so I was wondering how you do it. This is the way to do it, okay. Alright, so this brings us to a quick break of 5 minutes, okay. So you guys can do whatever you feel like for next 5 minutes without hurting anybody.
He's flipping sideways.
Yeah, stop. Yes.
He's going like this. He's going like.
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
Yeah.
We will resume the class, okay? So, now tell me who all. Hey, Kavyan, what is so interesting about his notebook?
He said something. You wrote, but you were
Kavyan?
chatting with
No,
him.
no. Okay. No, Adam.
Everybody shut up.
Everybody, please. Everybody. Okay? Tasvi, here, this side, this side. Okay? Alright. So, see, this is the danger, okay? When I give you guys some free time to refresh yourself, you waste 5 minutes extra.
Let's go. That's it.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay? Now,
Guys, you're going to win me this game. 5 minutes extra.
can I expect you all to be serious?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now, what we are going to learn next? We are going to learn next thing is decimals. Who all knows decimals?
I know.
Okay.
I know.
Okay.
I know how to add decimals. I know decimals. I know add and subtract decimals.
Multiply and
decimals.
divide.
Okay. Who all knows how to be quiet? Be quiet then.
I'm
Okay.
so quiet in class, like my school. Yeah, me too. Like,
Oh,
I'm like,
no. If we keep on discussing, Kavyan. Okay. So can we make good use of time?
Yes.
Just saying yes, just follow that. Okay. Now, when we talk about decimals, what is the difference between decimal and a fraction? What is that?
A decimal has a decimal point.
Okay. Yeah. Decimal has a decimal point. Yes, that's a valid point. Huh?
A decimal has a decimal point and a fraction has a line between the numbers.
they're both the same. That is
No. I'll judge the answers. Okay. I heard you. I
No, I
heard
got a
you.
different one.
Okay.
So a fraction is technically.
Give me your book.
So a fraction technically has it like so technically they're both equal even if you times like each other. They're both the same.
Very complicated. Okay. No more answers. Okay. When you say a fraction, if I say a fraction 2 by 3, it means there are two things divided among 3 people equally. Advik, I got your answer better. I don't want you to go on chattering about it, okay? Calm down. When I say fraction, and a serious request to all of you, you'll only pay attention here. There'll be friends, there'll be neighbors, there'll be people who will distract you. Don't do that. Pay attention in the class. When you say fraction, let's say 2 by 3, what it means is two things are divided among 3 people equally. Okay? If I say 1 by 2, one thing is divided to 2 people. That one thing could be $1, one mango, one banana, whatever it is, one house. I'll ask you guys. I'll ask you guys when you have to ask. Okay? So this is what it means. Okay? That many number of things in the numerator is divided this many times equally. Okay? Or among this equally. So now, if you talk about 1 by 8, meaning one thing is divided equally among 8 people. Okay? Yeah? This can be represented as fraction. This is called fraction. Okay? This is where you have a whole number in the numerator and whole number in the denominator also. There's another way you can represent this. This is called 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. That can be represented as 0.5. Okay? Half. Now, this is another form, which means this fraction also says this is not a whole number. This decimal also says this is not a whole number or natural number.
So basically, we also don't know the way of like dividing 4 by 1.
No, so calm down. No making guesses. Math is not about making guesses. You have to listen to the whatever is being taught, and then we'll try deriving interpretation from that. Okay? Now, when I say fraction, or when I say this, so when I say fraction or when I say decimal, in both the scenarios, this represents a type of number which is not a whole number or a natural number. And you guys know what is a whole or natural number, right?
Yeah.
Natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? That is natural number. You put a 0, that becomes a whole number. If you put a minus,
Integers.
minus 2, yeah, these are integers.
Negatives.
Yeah, when you put negatives also, that is called integer. So this whole group becomes integer. So the only thing that you can see here is there is no number which has anything other than the numbers itself. Okay. So when you deal with things like this, a decimal point or one number getting divided by another number, that is called fraction. Both represent the same thing, meaning it's not a whole number or natural number. Okay. Now let's look at this. This is a decimal, yeah, clear? I can convert this into a fraction. Do you guys know how? Tell me how.
Basically, you just like see it like where the number is like equivalent to the fraction.
Okay, I have very, very stupid or simple way of doing it. Yeah, tell me how.
Can I write it?
Yeah.
Okay. 50%.
Okay. 5 by 100. You are going. Okay, wait.
Can I say
I will make it simple for you guys. Why you guys have to? Okay, so what Arnav was doing was, he was going in the right direction, but he went a little too fast. Okay. How I do it is.
How did I go fast? I just put the answer.
No, that was not right answer. You probably made a mistake. That's what I'm saying. You said 5 by 100, right? I'll prove you what the right answer. Okay.
It was 5 seconds.
So this will be, when you have to do it right, you have to, whatever is the number, write it down. Okay. Take out the decimal. Forget about the decimal. Now, since I have taken out the decimal, what I will do? For that decimal, I will write a 1. I'll write a 1. Okay.
Out of 10.
I'll write a 1. Did I say 10? No, right? I'll write a 1. And then I will count how many digits I have after decimal. Okay? I have 1 digit, so I'll put a 1 0. Okay? So that is the difference. It's 5 by 10. Now, if I had this, that would have transformed into, I would have written it like this. Then 1 for the decimal, and then count how many digits I have here. That means zeros is what I will put. This was the process. Okay, now I want to hear you.
So like, can we also do this percentage too? Or?
Why we have to go to percentage right now?
Isn't that simplifying it?
No. Yeah, we'll come to that. So see, that's why I keep stopping you guys, because I know I have to control your energy, contain your energy in a constructive way. Okay. So right now we have to get decimals. We'll look at decimals. When we go to percentage, then we'll club them all together. Where we'll have fraction, we'll have decimal, we'll have percentage also. Okay. So that's why I'm stopping you right here. Now, if you have a 0 here before 50, this will have no use. So that's why you can write this as 50 by 100. If you had a 0 here, then that you cannot remove. That is not correct. Yeah, nice.
It can be also 1/2.
It can be simplified as 1/2. Yes. Because once you have a fraction, right, it is always your choice. See, you can write 1 by 2, you can write this as 2 by 4, you can write this by 3 by 6, you can write this as 4 by 8, you can write this by 100 by 200 also.
What about 100 trillion by
200.
Do you, I mean, that's up to you if you guys want to waste your time. Okay, coming back to this point. Advik, here. So we are almost going to be done in 5 minutes, okay? So that's why I want to make use of the 5 minutes that we are left with, okay? So now, when you have these numbers, you can always simplify them. Let's pick this one, 3 by 6. Can I simplify this? Probably yes. I can write 3 as 3 into 1 and 6 as 3 into 2. Tic-tac-toe, gone. I can write this as 1 by 2. That's why I was saying 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 6. Same way I can see, same thing. So, to your point, Kaushika, yes, we can always simplify. When you have a fraction at hand, you can always look at if you have a possibility of simplifying that fraction. If let's say you have 125 divided by 625.
Also, so while I was in my fraction book, when you said that convert 1/3 into fractions, it said 3.33, and it had a line on the top. It was like
Should I show you?
No, I will tell you when you need to know that.
Well, you can take 25.
So, no, you cannot take 25.
5.
That will be a crime, not a mistake.
Crime.
Yeah.
She's
So that's what I'm saying. When you see, everybody here. So see, there's a difference between a mistake and a crime. Okay. If I have 100, okay, 100 by 400. Okay. If you say, okay, I will take out this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0, it's okay. It might work. If you have to do 111 divided by 811, if you say, okay, I will take this one, this one, this one, this one out.
That's a
no.
lot.
That's a crime. That's not a mistake.
You did the No,
Okay. So don't do crime when you're doing math. Okay. Okay. Come back here. Come back here, guys. Come back here. Come back here. Come back here. No. Okay. I have to warn you guys. If I keep wasting my and your time, just calming you down, it's not a productive use of our time, okay? You guys are not wasting your weekend for doing chat here. You're here for learning some maths. What is that? I will tell you when you have to go. Even if your dad comes 15 minutes early, that doesn't mean your class gets over 15 minutes early. Yeah? Okay, so coming back to this one, 125 by 625. If you see numbers like this, don't do tic-tac-toe with the numbers alone, okay? What you'll do is, can I break this, can I find factors for this one? And then you'll do some math and you'll find, okay, I can write this at 25 into 5. Okay? This can be written as 125 into 5. This is what I did, okay? I have done calculation in the back end, okay? So now I can do tic-tac-toe. Numbers, complete numbers can be removed, okay? This becomes 25 by 125. But if you say, okay, this 5 and this 5 will knock off and then I have 2 by 12 or this, that is not right. This part is not right, okay? You have to always make them a separate number, then you split. So what did we learn today? We have not learned anything, okay? Because we were talking. But yeah, on a serious note, let me complete. No, I'll tell you. Guys, calm down. Calm down. Okay. So what we learned was we did a recap of all that we have learned in fractions. Assignment for Arnav is, I'll give him a video for him to just go through the fraction operation. Just go through it once from the class and then try doing it. Wait, I'm doing a recap here. Then we learned how do we compare between fractions and decimals. What is the difference? Both are similar in a way that both are not whole numbers or natural numbers. Then we learned quickly how do we convert decimals into fractions. And what is the use of that? If I am doing this plus 1 by 4, what I will do is I'll convert them into, I'll convert this into fraction and then I know how to deal with fractions. Okay, I'll add them. Or I will convert them into decimal, then I'll deal with how do I deal with decimals. Okay. So we are not learning how to convert a fraction to decimal right now. We are learning how to convert decimal into fraction. So you always convert decimal into fraction, then you add them. Okay.
Don't you get a decimal by dividing the fraction?
We'll do it, then we'll interpret.
So did you see
Are you gonna send homework?
Huh?
Are you gonna send homework?
What is that?
Are you gonna send homework?
Of course. My teacher gave me
Yeah.
a paper. Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you
I'm sorry. Your daddy will ask you. Because the homework will not go to you, it will go to your daddy. So, alright. So this brings us to the end of the class. So next class, what we'll do is, we'll do decimal, little bit more of decimals, how to do operations with decimals, how to play between decimals and fractions, and then we'll do homework. So homework you'll not get today. You'll get the homework on Monday or Tuesday. Then you'll have the entire week to do the sums. And I don't give enough homework. I'll just give you 10, 12 sums which you can do in half an hour if you do it with a peace of mind. Okay. So I don't stress out kids with the homework.